In this video you will see the funniest pranks at the Rubik's Cube competition. In the final of the championship there was a very tense atmosphere, and one of the spectators decided to prank the participants by substituting puzzles. Instead of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, they got something else entirely. One of the competitors decided to bring a giant Rubik's Cube measuring 13 centimeters. Such a giant is allowed because the rules don't prohibit it. And this is complete nonsense. Those guys who mixed the puzzles instead of 3x3 cube brought the contestant a slice of pizza.
You're white for your mom. What's your name?
That's what I said when I saw it.
I didn't know you were still here.
Come on, go for it. Do it.
I didn't know you were still here.
Come on, go. I was so... No grease on the counter. Ready.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's why you were recording.
Look at the comments on this video.